How do I change the YouTube language settings? Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the YouTube application on your device over here and make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection. Next, make sure that you're logged into your account. After checking on all your login credentials and logging into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile. Next, what you simply need to do is tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. As you tap on the gear icon, tap on the general option available over here. So tap on general, and as you tap on general, scroll down and here you can see the option of app language. So tap on app language, and right now it's toggled on for English. If you want to change it to some another language, you can just scroll down and search for the language and select it. So I'm going to tap on this one over here and then tap on change, and this will start changing the app language over here. So just have to wait for a while and this will just change the app language of YouTube over here. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.